Škoda Auto has initiated series production of the second-generation Kodiaq, its flagship SUV, at the Kvasiny plant in the Czech Republic. To accommodate this, the company invested €49 million to modernize the production line, enabling the plant to manufacture up to 410 Kodiaq SUVs daily. The relocation of the new generation Superb to Bratislava, Slovakia, has freed up additional capacity in Kvasiny for Kodiaq and Kodiaq SUV models. Andreas Dick, Škoda Auto board member for production and logistics, expressed gratitude for the team's dedication in preparing for the production launch. The substantial investment in upgrading facilities also includes preparations for the production of the new Kodiaq IV, a plug-in hybrid variant. Key improvements in the production line involve manipulators, chassis assembly, conveyor technologies, and refining robot functions for applying window glue. The Kvasiny plant, which previously produced the Škoda Superb, has strategically shifted its focus to increase SUV production capacity. This move, coupled with the launch of the fourth generation of the Superb, has resulted in Superb production relocation to the Volkswagen plant in Bratislava. Consequently, Kvasiny is now equipped to produce an additional 150,000 units annually of the Kodiaq and Kodiaq SUV models, showcasing its capacity to build up to 410 Kodiaqs per day. Škoda Auto's SUV campaign began with the Kodiaq's world premiere in 2016, followed by the Kodiaq in 2017, Kamiq in 2019, and the all-electric Enyaq in 2021. The Kodiaq RS, introduced in 2018, marked the first SUV in Škoda's sporty RS family. The first-generation Kodiaq has achieved significant success, with over 870,000 units produced and recognition from 60 global markets, earning more than 40 international awards. The second-generation Kodiaq, unveiled in Berlin, highlights Škoda's commitment to sustainability and efficiency, featuring the new modern solid design language. Emphasizing spaciousness, sustainable materials, and innovative elements like Škoda's smart dials, the new Kodiaq offers 5 powertrain options, ranging from 110 kilowatts, 150 horsepower, to 150 kilowatts, 204 horsepower. Additionally, it introduces a plug-in hybrid variant with an electric range exceeding 100 kilometers, a first for the series.